What's up everybody, this is Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and I would like to do my review on using Viento after 8 days of use. So I'm taking 4 capsules a day, 2 in the morning as soon as I wake up with about a liter of water, and then 2 in the evening shortly before I go to bed. Throughout the day I'm drinking a lot of water, so maybe up to 4 liters per day. And it's working great. Why I mentioned the water is because when I drank less water, it didn't seem to have that much of an effect. And the more water I drank and cut down on my sugar, I've completely cut down on my sugar and tried to eat more alkaline foods. It seems to work so much better. So I would say follow your guide, the one you got in your first order. You get a guide and just follow that along. Try to stick to a diet that's recommended by Dr. Sebi, and you will see results. But if you are taking coffee and sugar and eating all those other high acid foods, the result is not so effective, if at all effective. So that's my deduction. I'm not prescribing this to anybody. I'm not promoting Dr. Sebis company. I was simply looking for a herbal supplement that will help me make my energy levels more consistent, and I came across Dr. Sebis company. I am trying out his Viento, and so far I like it. Now my next step is to go through the ingredients and put it together myself, because at $50 a bottle, you will agree that it is pretty expensive. And if you're willing to put in the work, it will come in at a fraction of the price if you buy the herbs yourself and do the mixing yourself. Of course, there's a lot of trial and error to see where you will hit it right. But I like Viento so far, and that's about it. Have a good one.